Hello viewers, welcome to our Dangar channel. So today in cultural and diversification of era of businesses, we deep dive into some conversations like which is the cheapest license in UAE, which will help entrepreneurs to grow their businesses and expand their businesses in UAE. So let's deep dive into the conversation. Today I'm Shilpa Sharma with you to discuss the most cheapest and economical license which will help you to grow your business. So nowadays we have found that so many entrepreneurs and so many businesses are online, isn't it? Whether it's about delivery of the product or you are ordering something, it is at your doorstep, which is e-commerce. So e-commerce is one of the business line and the license type is also very commonly less expensive and economical option to initiate your business with. So we have found so many reasons and so many things why business entrepreneurs they are initiating their businesses when it's about the international market. So UAE, of course, Gulf region is an international market to grow businesses altogether. So let's understand this further. So we know that in entire UAE there are total 7 emirates, right? Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Al Quwain, Ras Al Khaimah, Fujairah, Sharjah, Ajman. So there are so many free zones as well in entire UAE. Out of these, all the free zones and all the free zone authority, there are some of them which are less expensive and to boost your businesses altogether. So let's understand this further. So we have concluded that Sharjah as of now is one of the economical aspect wherein you will get your license in less cost as well as which will boost your profile to grow your businesses such as media, videography, photography. So if you are into a business which is related with media industry or photography industry or anything which is related with the service based industry, it will help you out because Sharjah is promoting these kind of licenses which help professionals to grow their businesses altogether in entire UAE. And as per last year's report and concluded with the 3 years report, we have seen a drastic change in businesses altogether. So in 2021, there were 35% of the businesses which were registering themselves in the UAE region. Now it is being 75%, which means you can see a shift in the business line and growing the businesses altogether. Okay, now let's delve deeper into Ajman. Okay, so if you are into a project-based consultancy, project management or consultancy business, or if you are doing any accounting services work, then you can register yourself with the help of Ajman license. Okay, so this is one of the emirate which is providing you less expensive cost license which will expand your business in international market and help you to grow your business altogether. Now let's summarize the whole conversation. So if you are somebody who is looking to expand yourself in UAE and you are thinking about budget friendly option, then here you go. You have options Sharjah and Ajman with you to initiate your businesses. So as we know that in entire UAE there are so many emirates, right? So in there are so many emirates, out of these 2 emirates providing less expensive cost licenses which will help you to grow your businesses in international market. And it's not that expensive, so this is just one step ahead that you can expand yourself in the market of UAE. So whether you are into a trading business or you are a service based industry, don't look back at further. You are going to grow in the entire UAE market. Also there is one more point. It's not like if you have a license from particular authority then you cannot do your business. No, it's not like that. You can do your business in entire UAE as well as outside. It's just that authority is providing you license to make you eligible to do the business in UAE. So potential entrepreneurs, don't wait more. If you have any queries or doubt, or if you want to get expert consultation, you can comment down us below. Subscribe to our channel so our dedicated team can reach out to you. Thank you.